another one. I'm John, and this is just the Gearhead, and today I'm on my way to Red Deer, Alberta, for a swap meet. Stay tuned. Like I said, we're on the way to Red Deer right now for first swap meet that I've gotten to go to in, what, over 2 years probably now? Because of all the crap that's been going on for the last couple of years. They haven't had any swap meets out here really. But anyways, go down there, see how long it takes us to get there, and see if there's anything of interest, see if there's a couple things I'm kind of looking for, so we'll see if we can find some stuff. But I'll get back to you once we get to Red Deer. So here we are in Red Deer at Westerner Park. The parking lot's pretty full, so there's at least a lot of people coming to check it out. I don't know what we'll find inside, but we'll go see. So that was the quick time swap meet out here in Red Deer. Usually this isn't the bigger one. I'm not sure if the bigger one's happening this year or not, but there's a fair amount of tables and lots of people, very busy. I think everybody was itching to get out and check out the swap meets or something. Like I said, this is the first time we've had one in 2+ years. So yeah, found a couple of things that I was looking for. One thing I wasn't really looking for. But I'll show you those when we get back to Edmonton. So now we're going to drive back, and yeah. All right, so we're home, and I figured I'd show you guys what I got at the swap meet. We'll start with the first thing, which is something I wasn't looking for, but I kind of buy them when I see them. That is model car kit. Some of you guys may know this is my other car hobby, or car related hobby, is building model cars. So dude only wanted like 10 bucks for this, and new in store these things start at like 35-40 bucks up here. So you know, even if it doesn't have all the parts, It is definitely worth 10 bucks. Actually, I haven't even opened it. Can I open this one hand? Oh, wow. Looks like it's got all the parts. It's all in the bag still. So this is pretty much a new kit. So yeah, this would be like 40 bucks if I bought it in the store, if I could find that one. So yeah, so that was the thing I wasn't looking for. But okay, now one of the things I was looking for was a set of beauty rings. Now these are not the exact ones I was hoping to get. These I'm hoping will fit onto the Oldsmobile Rally rims that are on the 1977 Century that's out in the back. They are 15-inch. Most of these can kind of work with each other depending on the rim size. So we'll have to take it outside and look at them and see if they actually fit on the Century's rims. But, so, they're not in too bad shape. They're a little scuffed here and there and definitely need a clean and a polish. But I think they'll work out okay. But they are also 10 bucks a piece each. So even if they don't fit, it's not like I'm out a whole lot of money. But yeah, so we got those. And the last thing, which is one of the things I was looking for, is a 68 Ford shop manual. This is for this 68 Ranchero I have. 68 Ranchero. And I actually did a quick look, and there's a page in here. Let's see if I can find it. That lists, where's the body style page? There's a page here somewhere that lists all the body stylings. Here it is. And if you look down here at the bottom, it says Ranchero. So this is definitely the book that would have probably, at least the shop manual that would have covered that car. So yeah, I always like to have a shop manual for each of my cars, or at least close to each one. And since they don't make one specifically for Ranchero, this will do. So yeah, that is what I picked up at the swap meet today. Oh, this was like 100 bucks. It's a little expensive, but yeah, to get an actual copy of this off the internet and shipped to my house would have probably cost $150 to $200, depending on where, if I could find one. So yeah, definitely a good find. I'm still looking for one for the Century, but we'll have to look at some other swap meets probably. Anyway, so there we go. Well, turns out they do fit. And as you can see, this thing hasn't moved yet. And it's still winter out here. Spring has just barely started. But yeah, so the beauty rings do fit the rims that are on the Century. And once I clean and paint these, the rims that is, and polish up all these little bits of chrome, I think these rims will look pretty good. All right, so that'll be it for this episode of Just the Gearhead. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.